Hi everyone, welcome to BYEE, and today I'm here to show you how to make crunchy slime. This was the last video of the week, and I'll be seeing you the next week. So not this week, but next week. Let's get started. So the materials you'll be needing are a bowl, baking soda, eye contact solution, some glue. I have it in a clear bottle container, but it's running out, so I gotta get my big jar, and your FLOAM balls, your styrofoam balls. I got this at AC Moore. The jar doesn't come with it, it actually comes in a bag. I just put it in this empty roller bead jar. But yeah, you could get this at AC Moore, that's what I said, yeah, for $5. Pretty big. Yeah, it's like a big bag, like this big, that big. Anyway, so, and optional, food coloring. Make it nice and good. Alright, so now let's get our glue, and I have this big jar. It's almost done. It's like down here now because I make a lot of slime. There's just some glue left, and I'm just going to pour it in. Yes. So good. Okay, so now we're going to add our baking soda. I have my baking soda right here. I'm just going to add a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to add in our food coloring. Let's make raspberry. So I need pink and blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1 drop of blue. Perfect. Okay, now let's mix this up. Oh, I didn't get to clean this. Oops. Just get that out. Alright guys, so this color is awesome. It's not really raspberry, it's more purple, so I'm just going to add a little bit more pink. And then just mix that in. Okay, perfect. That pink actually popped it out. Alright, loving this color. Okay, so now when you're done, we're going to set this aside. Actually, why did I say that? We don't need to set this aside. What you need to do is take your eye contact solution and that. I'm just going to pour a little bit at a time. You don't want to overflow it because you do want this to be a little bit sticky so that the FLOAM balls will stick to it. Mix, 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 mix. So I'll be right back until this is kind of sticky, but not that sticky, if you know what I mean. So I want to add glitter to this, so I'm just going to get here on my glitter, and let's get a purple color. Ooh, let's get this dark purple color. Pop it open. Pour it in its cap. Oh, never mind. There's lots of glitter. Put that back in and start mixing. Pretty. Might have to add more glitter. Okay, this slime has to be a bit sticky, so it can be this sticky because then when you put in the FLOAM balls, it might not be, it will start getting hard. So this sticky is fine. It does not matter. Okay, open this up and add in more. crunchiness and time to satisfy. It's just awesome. I love it. Awesome. Put that back in and just mix it up. Ooh. So you can see this is not enough FLOAM balls. So I'll be right back until everything's cooperated. But I'll do it one more time in front of the camera. Just so satisfying. I just love it. So good. Okay, this still needs some more balls, so I'll be right back. So here is my FLOAM. Isn't that beautiful? I just love the sound. If you want it more sticky, just add a little bit more glue and then add a little bit more contact solution. If you want it stretchier, do the same exact thing. And I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel and like my other videos too. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, subscribe to my channel and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye guys!